Discounts. In this lecture, I will show you how you create a discount code in Shopify. Click on the Create Discount Code button. Right over here, you can give your discount code a name. I'm going to call it Summer Sale. Here you can enter the value of it, the discount value. So I'm going to enter 50%. And of every entry I order, you can also select specific collections. So they will only work for collections that you have selected. Okay, and when I scroll down, you will see that there is end date. You can set the end date for this discount code because it's only in the summer for this case, but I'm going to leave it as default. And I'm going to click on Save Discount. And right over here, you can get your shareable link in a green arrow. I'm going to click on Get Shareable Link. And right over here, you can copy this. And you can paste it in your browser and you will see the discount. So I'm not going to copy this, but that was it for this lecture. And I hope you've learned something new. And I will see you soon.